This video will guide you through how to sign up for a Grammarly account. If you want to create a new Grammarly account and get started with the platform, then here's how you can do it. The first thing to do is to open up a preferred web browser and then go to the search box and type in grammarly.com and press enter. You'll then find yourself in the official page for Grammarly. To create a Grammarly account, simply click on the Get Grammarly It's Free button at the top right hand corner. Now, in order to sign up, go ahead and enter an email address. You can also sign up using a Google account, a Facebook account, or with your Apple ID. In my case, I'm going to choose the first option, that is signing up with email. Type in an email address that you have an access to in the first text box. After you are done, head over to the password field and type in the password you'd like to set for your account. On the next field, type in your name. Make sure to type in your full name and then click on Agree and sign up. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Simply go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code sent to your email address that you just entered. In order to do that, open up a new tab and log into your email service inbox. Once you're inside, open up the mail received from Grammarly. You'll be able to find it inside your inbox. Simply click it open and then copy the verification code. Paste it inside the verify email text box and wait for a few seconds. Now, select what you are using Grammarly for. Click next. After you select an answer, on the next field, you'll need to provide some of the details like your primary function, your company size, your role in the company, and much more. After you are done entering all of the details, click on Next and complete all of the steps, provide necessary information, and you'll be able to create a Grammarly account. In order to use Grammarly on your PC, you'll need to get the Grammarly application. So click the Get Grammarly for Windows button and the app will be downloaded on your PC. After the app is downloaded, you can go ahead and log into your account with the email address and the password that you just created while signing up, and that way you should be able to sign up for Grammarly. That was how you can easily sign up or register for a Grammarly account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.